Hello friends, today we are here in the animals theme park and animals are waiting for a car ride. And look who's in the queue, a zebra and a bull and a sheep. And then the cow waiting for her turn and another one and a horse and another horse and a horse and some sheep. Who's this? Who's this? Oh my God! It's a turkey! Waiting for their turn. All of them waiting for their car ride. Okay. Let's say who's first. Who goes first here, JB? Not you. Stop. Hey, I think it's my turn. I'm ready. I'm first on the queue. It's my turn. Oh. Yeah, that's true. I think it's Zebra's turn. So, Zebra, your turn for the car ride. Walk in. All right, all right, all right. So, guys, this is now Zebra's turn. Zebra, are you ready for the ride?
Yeah, I'm ready. Go for it. Go for it.
Okay, Zebra. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
You broke my leg.
Oh, sorry, Zebra. Sorry. Are you okay? Are you alright?
Yeah, I think I'm alright. I just need some rest. I don't like this ride. I hate your ride.
All right, all right, all right, all right. Let's put you to bed. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Okay, Zebra, there you go. You need some rest, all right?
Yeah, I'm okay, but I think I also need some soup and chips and fries and a coke and
Okay, 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 I got it. You just go to bed. You just sleep. You just take a nap, all right? I'll bring all those things.
okay.
Oh dear, that was really fun with Zebra. Now it's your turn, Cow. Are you ready? Oh, I think you are. Oh. All right, I think Cow is all right. Now let's go for the ride. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Hey, Carl, are you okay? No. Carl, are you alright? No. Was that a ride? Is the ride over? Huh? No. Yeah, the ride is over. No, yeah. I didn't feel anything. No. Okay. Okay, Carl, you just lay here and rest with Zebra. No. Okay. Okay, now, Sheep, your turn. Are you okay, Sheep? I think Sheep says she's okay. She's ready. So let's start. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Oh my God! Look what's happening! Oh no! Oh, a sheep! Okay, we have put sheep over here for rest as well. Sheep, do you want something? Okay. I understand. I was scared, right? Okay. Just sleep. Okay. All right, Horsey, it's your turn.
Yeah, go for it.
All right, Horsey, wait. We have to do all our practice first. Do you want a practice right?
No, I'm gonna ride right now.
Okay. So let's just start the ride. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Oh my God. That was fun. I want one more ride. Can I have one more?
No, Horsey, there was only one for each animal. You have to go and rest.
No! I want more ride! I want more ride!
Oh, okay. We'll give you one more, but afterwards, okay?
That was fun, man. Guys, that was fun. Hey, guys, do you have fun as well? That was fun. Oh my god.
All right, now we have Daddy Horse turn. Daddy Horse, are you all right? Yeah, but don't just go very fast. I don't like this ride. But all right. We cannot go slow, but we'll just go on our own pace. So there you go. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Are you all right, Daddy Horse? Let me go home. I think I'm too old for these rides. I think you guys had fun, but maybe I'm an oldie. I need a glass of water. So now we have Turkey's turn. Turkey, how you doing? I think Turkey is saying he's happy. Oh, he's excited as well. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! There you go, Turkey. Hey, Turkey, how you doing? Okay, Turkey, you need some rest. You just stay here and just lay down and rest and do nothing. All right, now we have Crazy Cow's turn. Crazy Cow, are you okay? Oh my God, go for it. All right, let's go for it. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Hey cow, how you doing? How you doing? Are you okay? Moo. Moo. Shh. All the animals are asleep. They had a crazy ride and they are all asleep. No, Jimmy, don't wake them up. Shh. All the animals, they are resting after this crazy car ride, and JB is here to watch out. Okay, JB, are you watching with them?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Make sure they sleep well and make sure they're all safe and they eat a good breakfast in the morning. Okay.
Okay.
All right. I think it's time for us to go now. All right, let's go home. Oh my God! Look! Oh, there's a lion coming! Oh no! There's a lion coming!